Hey, sixth graders, I see you all working really hard trying to master that long division, and I see some of you need to go back and line up those place values for your subtraction. Make sure you're borrowing. Really work on those multiplication facts in any of your spare time. I know the dollar store has great flashcards, or you could make your own. So today we are going to use all of those addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division skills and look at our real life basic operations. So we're going to look at some real life word problems, and I want you to know some of the clue words. So remember, for addition, I'm kind of going to fold my paper over here since I know I have 4 operations we're working with. That way I can kind of do this a bit neatly. I'll kind of divide my paper in half around here. And so I'll have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now remember, anytime you think that your answer is going to be bigger than the numbers that you're working with, you would be on this side, right? You would be adding or multiplying. Anytime you think your answer is might be smaller than some of the numbers, you might be on this right side, right? Subtraction and division. So that's something you'll always want to think about. Now remember some of these words like add, all together, and, both, in all, sum, total, increase, combine, right? Subtraction are things like finding the difference, fewer, gave away, take away, how many more, or how much longer, shorter, smaller. Anything like that, right? Also, left, change, decrease. So those are some addition subtractions. Remember, if you need to pause your video and catch up, you can totally do that. Multiplication, sometimes when we see each, same, twice, the product, in all, right? When we know what each equals and want to know how many are in all, double. Now remember, double is like 2 times, right? Same with seeing triple. Remember, triple means you're going to do 3 times. Sometimes that is a big holdup with some of my students, so it may be with you too. Division, again, you might see each, but you'll see it differently. Like, how many did she spend on each if we know the total, right? If you have to share equally, if you need the quotient, like how much did everyone get? If everyone got the same, then you would divide it by that number of people, right? Okay, So now that we've reviewed the clue words, hopefully this is just review for you, because you should have seen these many, many times before. We are going to look at the problems from the assignment today. Alex's car payment is $316 each month. There's a clue word. How much do his car payments total each year? So you're going to want to remember that there are 12 months in a year. And if each month he's paying $316, we're looking for a bigger number. What are you going to do for number 1? You got it. You're going to multiply. Here we have Stella, number 4, cutting 400 inches of string into 9-inch pieces to create bracelets. How many will she be able to make? So she's cutting the string. So we know into these 9-inch pieces. Would it make sense for us to subtract 9 from 400 to see how many she could make, or would it make more sense to divide? What do you guys think? Use your thinking with that one. Let's look back at number 2. I know I'm skipping around here. I just want you to know how I would think about some of these problems. Plane A is flying 2,291 feet above plane B. If plane B is flying at an altitude of 15,395 feet, find the altitude of plane A. So if this is above plane B, we know where plane B is. Plane A must be higher, so would we add or subtract to find the altitude of plane A? It's going to be higher, so we would be adding, right? So above, you should see, right? All right. I'm not sure we have time to go through all of these, but we may. Northwind Middle School raised $15,395 towards charity. This was $6,327 more than Eagle Bay Middle School raised. How much did Eagle Bay raise? So if this is this much more than, we have to get a smaller number for Eagle Bay, which means we have to do what? Not add, right? We got to subtract this number from that. Line up your digits properly. All right, we just talked about number 4. Hopefully you can get that. How about number 5? The population of Glenwood County is 356,392. If the population of Westshire County is 295,295, find the combined population of these two counties. So hopefully you know what combined means. We can add that to our addition list. Oh, it's already there. Just kidding. All right, 6. A cell phone company has 1,834,912 subscribers. If 97,284 people unsubscribe, how many will they have remaining? So it's going to be less than that, so you're going to, once again, subtract. So this should not be too difficult. You're multiplying once, dividing once, adding a couple times, subtracting a couple times. Guys, this is like a free day. So make sure once you finish with this video, fill out the form, go back, complete your assignment, take a picture of any of your work, add it to that slide, turn it in. It's important that you turn it in and go back and find any other missing work, guys. No reason for you to not be able to get some additional things done if you have not already. Have a super awesome Monday.